Although most modern automatic transmissions require very little maintenance, most manufacturers require periodic services. So what's involved in servicing an automatic transmission? Probably not as much as you think. For the most part, transmission servicing involves replacing the fluid and the filter. The inside of your automatic transmission is a hostile place, with operating temperatures reaching well over 200 degrees. This heat breaks down your transmission fluid at a molecular level, which in turn causes the friction materials on the internal clutches to lose efficiency. As the clutches begin to slip, more heat is generated, breaking down the fluid even more. In general, we recommend changing the fluid every 30,000 miles. Let's get started. This job's going to take you under the vehicle, so let's make sure you got the vehicle safely supported on some jack stands. Also, make sure your transmission is warm from a recent drive. The transmission on your vehicle may be equipped with a drain plug for draining the fluid. If it does not have a drain plug, it will be necessary to unbolt the bolts around the perimeter of the pan to lower the pan and drain the fluid. Lucky for us, our transmission is equipped with a drain plug, making our job much easier. So remove the drain plug and let the fluid drain into a pan. When the fluid is drained, install the plug and tighten it to its proper specifications. Be sure to dispose of the old fluid responsibly. If you've got a pan with no drain plug, loosen the bolts around the perimeter of the pan and let the fluid drain. Once the pan is removed, you'll usually find a filter that needs to be replaced as well. Clean up the pan, install the new gasket, and tighten the pan bolts to specification. Now fill the transmission with the proper amount and type of transmission fluid. Then check the level and make sure there are no leaks.